Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we will discuss about Jira Snapshot for Confluence, which is helping in organizations to create snap of all the Jira issues in Confluence. So if you can see here, we have one icon is available. Once we'll click on take a new snapshot, it will start progressing and fetch the detail available from Jira board and get it populated to Confluence pages. So we'll see here how to perform this activity and we can access complete Jira issue list on Confluence pages. So this apps provides a new Confluence macro, Jira Snapshots. This macro is used to fetch Jira data into Confluence. The data is copy of Jira data at the point of time of snapshots and remains unchanged if the Jira changes or if the Jira issues get updated. So generally, we can have all the issue ID here. If I want to click on any particular ID, I will be able to see complete detail about this issue. So we'll see how we can generate this board from scratch. So let's say we have Confluence pages. So just simply go to id.atlassian.com and from here I'm selecting Confluence. Navigate into the app sections. From here, simply click on manage apps. I'm already installed this application, that's why I'm able to see it here. But if we want to find new app section, simply click on find new apps and we have the complete marketplace application list are available. So simply write Jira snapshots for Confluence. Now we can see here, this is the page available where we can install it and start using it. So this application is created by Radbee Limited and they already have 4 add-ons are available into Atlassian Marketplace, which is one of the Jira snapshots for Confluence, then speedy PDF sign off for Jira Cloud, snapshots traceability extension for Confluence, and SSO for read and understood training. So as of now, we are going to use Jira snapshots for Confluence. So you can see complete detail and they have the proper video of the content. Now simply go here and try it for free. So if you have installed, that's why we are able to see it here. Otherwise, simply click on try for free and we will get this trial version available into our Confluence pages immediately. Now, from the configuration point of view, click on configure and this will navigate us to the configurations page. So here we have to provide Jira Cloud URL. So as of now, my Jira Cloud URL is still here. I've copied and pasted here. Then Jira username. So whatever the email ID for Jira login, we can use it. Then API token. How we will get the API token? So just simply go to the id.atlassian.com, manage profile, security and API tokens. From here, we can create an API. Once we'll create it, simply click here, add the name, just like test, click on create, and this will generate a token. So simply add that token ID to this page and again add technical contact email, click on submit. This ID will be configured. Now we are set for using this snap. Now just simply go to any space on Confluence pages. So I'm just selecting this space and here maybe I will select some other space. Now we have a weekly meeting note. So as of now, I'm using for the random share. So probably I will add some issue details into this board. Like I want to display some informations related to Jira. So before proceeding further, let's understand what is the benefit of it. So before proceeding further, let's understand what is the benefit of using Jira snapshot for Confluence. So Jira data can include several levels of related data like their traceability matrix, table of epics and their user story, task, subtask, and several other issue items are there which we can add it. Then we can also view different view shows any differences between current and previous snapshot. Each snapshots create a new page version, and when reviewing historical versions, they display the historical snapshots. This also supports a custom fields. This is also integrated with some of the third-party applications. So probably we'll add and see how we can use it. Once our configuration will be done, we can use the speed as a macro. So let me just add enter here forward slash and just type Jira Snapshots. Unless we will not install this add-on, we won't be able to see this available. So once we'll click on Jira Snapshots, this will navigate us to label. So here we can create a label. So let's say I want to add the title as Jira Confluence, and then here I will define my project ID. So purposely, we can get the project name from their detail. Simply go here, go to board and then select the board settings, and from general tab we can see the project name or board name. So our project location is AP, so probably I will use the project name for this one as AP. For me, this is a page where I want to select the project from AP and just click on search. Now we have all the items are listed. So probably we have total 72 items are available. So we can also select which all fields we wanted to have here. So let's say I want to add title. So we don't have title. Let's add summary. We already selected the summary, then description, then status, assignee, creator. Next, I want to have the priority field. Now we can see these items added by me. Let's click on insert. Once we'll click on insert, this will take some time to load the complete issue details. So I want this to be displayed on page, go wide, go full width. Now click on publish. Once we'll click on publish, this will again take some time to showcase all the data which is available here. So as of now, we have not captured any snapshot. That's why it's not showing for us. So that's why we can see this icon is available. Exactly similar like what we have checked in the beginning. So you can see here, this is a snap. Take a snapshot. So again, let's do it for this one. Now this will take some time, probably another 10 seconds. We will get the perfect data, and this will display in tabular format. It's loading. Now we can see all the data which we have requested is available. We have added description here. At any point of time, if I want to add it, simply I will go here and then I will select this to be added. Click on add it. I don't want description because this is too lengthy. Probably I will add status. Now click on save, publish. Now description field is removed from here and we can see the status is available. So this is how we can take a snap. Again, if I want to take a new snap, I will click on this and this will again refresh the page. So this is how we can generate a regular snap of a particular defects or issue ID created under Confluence. Now we can see status is also there, epic status, then assigning creator and priority and status field. This is our name, right? Now let's go to the board and update few of the issues. So here I want to update for AP72. Now in AP72, let's first check the details. This is my AP72. In creator field, we don't have anyone's name, and assignee field also we don't have any name. So probably I will do here assign to me. So that will showcase this assignee detail. But instead of to do, so here we have status of to do. Now instead of to do, I will update as work in progress. Now that's done. Again, when I will refresh this page, this will not impact anything. So probably we'll create a snap, and based on that, we can see the status will be updated. Here, it was not happen anything. So again, take a snap. Now, this time we can see assigning detail also contains some detail and status field got updated. If I want to compare this, generally I will select this and I can see the differences between previous and this version. So I can see this detail got updated. Earlier it was not there. So this is how we can take a snapshot and store all of our detail into Confluence pages, and generally we can access it very quickly. So this add-on will help us to create a complete issue details or share the complete issue detail on Confluence pages, and from there we can update it on regular basis. This will help us to generate a quick snap of our complete issue detail. We can also tweak the snapshot with different other requirement. Maybe we can apply the filter, and based on the filter, we can see the detail. Now let's wait for completion of this, and then probably we can see some of the JQL query so that we can extract the detail from our Jira board. Again, edit this, and we have to edit this. As far as we will specify the requirement, we will get the detail related to this JQL. So let's say I want to search for any particular issues. So this is my issue AP advanced issue. Let's select on the advanced issue search. And here I want to apply the filter status equal to do search. Now how many issues we have? 226. So, and even I want the project and project AP. Search it. Now under AP project, to-do lists are available 49. So let's use this here and click on save. So based on this detail, we will get the data available into our board. So it's totally up to our requirement how we want to proceed it or how we want to generate the detail of this snap. This time we have less issue list. So let's refresh this page, and then, or let's again take a snap, and then we'll get the details. So earlier there was 72 issues are listed. Now we have just 49. Still loading. Now you can see we got all 49 issue lists available here. Again, if we want to compare with previous versions, we can see that's the difference. So this is how we can stake and store the snapshot of Jira issues into Confluence pages very quickly, which is built by Radbee team. So that's all from this video. Let's recap it. For using Jira snapshot for Confluence, first we have to navigate into the marketplace or app sections and install it for cloud version. Next requirement will be we have to perform the configuration settings as well as creation of token. Once we are done, then probably we will navigate back to Confluence pages, and from there we can use this macro to generate a proper detailed pages accordingly. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the things. If you think so, this will be helpful. Add down your comments, and if you want to know any other use cases, please add in the comment sections. And if you have any better solution than this, please also include in comment sections. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching.